Hi everyone, welcome to The Explorer. Today we will look at future tenses.
Future tenses. Can you read the words future tenses together with me? Future tenses. Right. Future means 将要发生. Okay, so future tenses will use different forms. Okay, check now. You have A is MR visiting, the verb. Will, shall, visit. Will be visiting. Is MR going to visit? Okay, these are some forms of future, the future tense, future tenses. Okay, so you can use is MR, right? Is MR the verb with ing, 就是将要拜访。Will, shall, visit 也是将要拜访的意思。Will be visiting 将要拜访。Is MR going to visit 也是将要拜访。Okay, so whenever you talk about future 就是你要将要发生的 okay, 句子呢，你就要用像这样 right? A, B, C or D. Right? So when are we going to use the future tenses then? Okay, 几时要用 future 的呢？就是好像 present, simple present tense. 几时要用？用在 habitual action or a fact. 几时要用 past tense? 用在 past action. Yeah? So future tenses 用在 future action. See? To show future action. So future action in Chinese means 将要发生. Okay? So how do you know that action is a future action? 你怎样知道它的动词，它的动作是将要发生呢？ Okay, so surely the sentence, okay, the sentence that you read, there are some words that tell you that they are future actions. Okay, so 有一些字在这个句子，有一些字会跟我们讲它是将要发生的。Okay, 比如 for example, tomorrow. Okay, so tomorrow 就是明天。明天不是时常发生，也不是现在，也不是已经发生，它是将要发生，就明天才发生吗？所以它是将要发生的，对吗？ So to show future action means, okay, 将要发生。So you have words like tomorrow, 明天。Other words like next week, next week 就是下个星期，也是将要发生的。Next Monday, 下个星期一。Okay, so there are many more words, okay, like next month, next day, right? So all these words with the word next 就是讲下一次，下一个星期，下个星期一，下个星期二okay? So this next will tell you they are 将要发生。Okay, followed by later. Later means 等下。所以现在还没有发生，等下，所以等下也是 future action. Okay, show future action tonight. 今晚还没有发生啊，所以说今晚将要发生了，所以是 tonight. And one more, the day after tomorrow. The day after tomorrow 是后天。Okay, so 后天也是跟我们讲它是 future action. Okay, all right. So these words and these future tenses, okay, everything that you can see in this slide, please copy them into your grammar book 2. Okay, so you do it now. Grammar book 2. Let's take a look at how the future tenses are used in sentences. Okay. 下个星期 John 将会拜访怡宝的婆婆。Okay, 下个星期 so this is future, right? 将要发生下个星期啊 John 将会拜访他怡宝的婆婆。 Okay, so how are you going to write this sentence into the future using the future tenses? Okay. So we're going to take a look at the first one, A. Alright, so 有4个 Alright， 刚才你看到吗？有 A、B、C、D， 有4种，对吗？所以我们就看第一种了。第一种 ，You can use is am are visiting， 拜访就是 visit。Alright, so is am are visiting the first one. So John is visiting his grandmother in Ipoh next week. See? So this is future action. How do you know that it is a future action? Because there is the word next week. 下个星期，所以还没有发生吗？对吗？所以我们要讲将要发生，所以这是 is am are visiting. Okay, that's 1A. B. You can also use will. Okay, will visit. So your sentence, John will visit his grandmother in Ipoh next week. John will visit. Okay, after will, base form. So you cannot write John will visiting. So John will visit his grandmother in Ipoh next week. One more. C. John will be visiting his grandmother in Ipoh next week. John will be visiting. Will be, the verb visit becomes visiting. So John 将要拜访，所以意思一样的，将要拜访。One more, D. John is going to visit his grandmother in Ipoh next week. 就下个星期 John 将会拜访他怡保的婆婆。Okay, so John is going to visit his grandmother in Ipoh next week. Alright, so all these sentences, 这些全部句子都是讲将要发生。Okay, so there are 4 ways of writing future actions. Okay, you can copy these sentences into your exercise book now. Next, you're going to write another 4 sentences right on your own. The first one, 2A, I've written for you. I am buying a new bicycle next month. Next month means 下个月就将要发生。Okay, so 下个月我要买 okay, 一辆脚车。即 I am buying 我将要买 okay, 一辆新脚车。So it's I am buying a new bicycle next month. Okay, you're going to write B, C, and D on your own. Right? So for B, use will buy. C, will be buying. And D, is am are going to buy. Okay, so for I, of course you say I am. Right? So I've given you am going to buy. Okay, so make a sentence, make sentences with the same, okay, the future action verbs, and the sentence is 下个月我将买 okay, 我将要买一辆新脚车 okay, so B, right, how are you going to write? I will buy a new bicycle next week. Okay, so write on your own. You don't have to underline. 不用画线的，就是你直接写这个句子起来。Alright, then the C, I will be buying a new bicycle next month. And one more, D, I am going to buy a new bicycle next month. Okay, so that's for 2, A, B, C, and D. Write into your exercise book. Number 3, 3A. The show is starting at 8 p.m. tonight. Tonight 就是今晚，将要发生，还没有发生。今晚 The show 那套戏 okay, is starting 将要开始。 几点将要开始 ？At 8 p.m. 还没有发生，今晚8点才发生，将要开始。Okay, so you're going to write B, C, D on your own now. Okay, B, use will start. C, use will be starting. And D, is going to start. The show, one show only, so is going to start. Okay, so write all these sentences into your exercise book.
What will you do this weekend? I will go to the beach. What will you do tonight? I will read a book. What will you do tomorrow? I will paint my wall. What will you do later? I will call my friend. What will she do in the afternoon? She will play in the pool. What will she do in the morning? She will take photos. What will you do next week? We will watch the fireworks. What will they do the day after tomorrow? They will go shopping.
Watch the video again. 那个 video 刚才看的那个 video 再看多一次。Okay, now this time you're going to listen to the speaker in the video and complete the sentences below with will plus a base form verb. Okay, so 用 will 跟一个 base form 的动词，所以你要听，你才知道他讲什么。Okay, now for example, the first sentence. 你会听到他讲 What will you do this weekend? 等下他讲这个周末你要做什么？那个人就答 I will go to the beach. OK， 所以你要听啊，听他讲，然后你抄这些句子下来先，然后就回去那个 video 那边听。Alright， 抄出来先，抄这个句子，这边有8个句子，你每个句子你要抄，抄到完先，然后就回去那个 video， 你就听他讲什么。OK， 来我讲到第一次，来多一次，第一个，他就问什么 ？What will you do this weekend？ 你看这个周末你要做什么？那个人答的时候，他就讲 I will go to the beach， 所以你就写 I will go to the beach， 然后就加这个 this weekend。Okay， so you got to listen, alright, to the second sentence, third sentence.And sentence number 4. Okay, copy the sentence first. Alright, 抄先，抄好了，然后才去听。Okay, right? You're going to copy question 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, copy into your exercise book. Then listen to the video.And write the correct answer.
My sister and I are going to have an amazing weekend together. We are going to see some friends and eat out on Friday evening. On Saturday, we're going to make some sandwiches and go to the park. The weather is going to be sunny and warm. I'm going to read a book and relax. On Sunday, I'm going to work out, and Emily is going to browse the
Next exercise, you're going to watch the video again. Okay, 这一个 exercise 你也是一样，要再看过刚才的那个 video. Right? Okay. So after watching the video, then you're going to complete the sentences with is am are going to form. Okay, 就是等下看完过后，你也是抄它的句子出来先，然后才看。看的时候你就要听他讲什么，然后你就要写下来了。Okay, alright. Now let's take a look at one. Okay, sentence one. One example. The first sentence. My sister and I, an amazing weekend together. Okay, amazing 就是美好的周末。Weekend 是周末，所以说我的姐姐和我将会什么？等下你要听哦 ，OK？ 它将会什么？一个美好的周末 ，alright？ So the sentence when you listen to the video, the speaker will say, "My sister and I are going to have an amazing weekend together." Okay, so are going to have an amazing weekend together. So 你听到你就要写了。My sister and I are going to have an amazing weekend together. 就是我的姐姐和我将会有一个美好的周末。Okay, together 是一起，将会一起有一个美好的周末。See, so that's your answer. So you're going to listen to sentence 2, 3, 4, okay, on your own and write the answer. Okay, so of course you need to copy the sentences into your exercise book first. Okay, book 2, and then only you listen to the video. Two more sentences. Sentence 5 and sentence 6. Okay, copy the sentences first, then watch the video, listen to the speaker and write the answer. Okay, so don't forget you are using is, am, are, going to form.